we go to the car wash?
Why?
Look, it's all dirty.
What's wrong with it? That's great.
This gives me an excuse to drive it.
Oh, well, in that case.
In that case. Oh, we go get some coffee. Yeah. So it's Wednesday. Yesterday we were doing gears, and then power went out for a very long time, and we're like, eh.
Yeah, we came back from lunch, there was no power, so we were like, quick, run away. We got some of that, and some coilovers, and some reservoir shocks.
Look at that. Wee wee.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, there's more.
Oh,
These
wait,
shafts.
look at these. Look at these.
I'm guessing that's for the front.
Oh yeah, it's gotta be. I hope the power goes out again today.
Not me, because I would really want to get this done before.
We're gonna have to take this thing out and jump it.
We're gonna have to. I know where a real nice jump
I know
is.
some sweet truck jumps. Well, just one really.
Just one.
I learned this on the internet last night. So you see the little ring on here? When you go to install this, apparently, if you have the little horseshoe with the open end facing down, it'll go in a lot easier than if you have it with the horseshoe facing up, because that hangs down and it doesn't want to fit through the splines, and then life is harder.
Whenever we get this truck done.
Snowing cats and dogs?
Yeah. Ah, it stopped snowing.
Oh wow, it's snowing over there though. Look at that.
Over there.
How did I not know about this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start tearing this apart.
If I had 500,000 miles on a truck, it would not look that nice.
Yeah, what's your red one at?
285. I've got it at 200,000, and it's had a really hard 85,000. Nice. Mostly dirt. Apparently you need the right size socket as well. That helps with the... Alright, so it's coming. We've got a little bit, but we still have a little ways to go also. Alright, so the reason we take that bearing off of the old one, because we have a new one, is to get to that. We need that shim to go on to the new stuff. Alright, so check it out. We got that shim off the other pinion. Got a new bearing. Custom made installer. Alright, I got it in there. And look, it even turns. I didn't record any of it because nobody wants to watch anybody swear that much. Got the ring gear bolted on. That was a super struggle. So now, next step is side bearings. Woo! What do we got?
Look at this bad boy. I told you it was going to snow today.
Alright. You know what that means.
Snow day.
Donuts.
We should try donuts in the scooter right here. Like skirt, donut, and then jump across to that one.
Okay.
Then donuts on top of that one, then back across.
Yeah, I'll totally film that. Alright, you stay. Check it out. So it calls for 6 to 10 thousandths, and I'd call that pretty close to 6. If you just squint, it's mint. Put some paint on our ring gear. see how that intersects the pinion gear. By the way, I've had this apart about 14 times trying to get the right stack of shims over here. See how we did. Looks... You go to acceptable patterns, and then you just find whichever one matches what you got, and you say, that's the one. So I'm gonna go with that one.
All that book learning aside, what does your experienced eye tell you?
It'll work till it don't.
Don't watch this video, Jeff.
Are you running with this pattern? I'd run it. So I got the pinion seal in, but I got mine all set up. See, that's a good pattern. That's what you would kind of want right there. Don't be putting this on the internet. Look at that, all that Loctite.
That's a lot of Loctite.
Perfect. Coals are coming out of there. Stuff it in there. Done.
Alright, so here's the fun part about working on differentials. This is my brand new pinion bearing that is trash, because the puller destroys it when it takes it off. Went to the parts store to go get a new one, and nobody has one. It's 3 days. So this thing's just stuck on our lift for till Friday. Mike Nappy came by from RMB 4x4, and he was like, hey, why don't you just, instead of putting the shim right here underneath where the bearing goes, instead put shims behind here, behind the race, to effectively move the pinion in or out the right direction you need. And I was like, boy, that seems like a really good idea. Just put this on without any shims, and then shim the race rather than the inner bearing. And I was like, man, that's a really good idea. I wish I would have done that to start with. I learned something.
Here we are.
This is what learning looks like. It's expensive.
Mine's all together. I want to put this piece back on. Goes here with this shaft. But it's no bueno, because this shaft is a 31, 32 spline, and those splines in the locker are 27.
So,
Wah, wah, wah.
once again, parts.
Yeah, we're both losing.
We both lost.
Thank
Canadian
you.
candy.
Thank you, fireman, Batman, man.
Yeah.
Whoa.
No, it's like fairy food on the inside. Melts in your mouth.
A bolt check and grease and rear brakes. Then after that's done, blue is done. Trailmater.
Look, I'm helping.
Bolt check done. Trailmater. No more on the list.
We could install the anvil. It's right here, hiding in the bamboo.
Is that bamboo?
I don't know. Somebody probably knows.
I think it's bamboo.
It's not bamboo.
No? What is
Bamboo in Utah?
it? I know, that's why I was confused. What is it?
It's called...
You don't know. Whoa,
not
you just
strong.
broke it.
Pretty wimpy bamboo.
So I don't think it's bamboo. But anyway, it's besides the point. We got an anvil. over there.
Anyway, back to the top.
The main topic.
We got it.
See that? Over the head.
No way. I quit.
Okay, your turn, Justin.
Hold my sandwich.
Over your head.
I don't know about over my head.
Justin's sandwich. What is this? We need an anvil to find out what this is.
Oh, I've got an anvil.
Whoa. Big old thing.
What is it? Looks like a rock slider to me.
We tried to do the rear brakes. Ran out of parts. Transfer case. We need the lift. Lift is clogged with Ford.
What?
There's other things that are more important. For example, trailer brakes. This is a test.
And you failed.
It's pretty nice out today. It's like 50
Yeah.
degrees, it feels
It's
like.
real nice. Did you unlock your brakes?
It's a fair question. I don't know the answer.
Brakes are brand new on this one. It's holding.
Turns out they look pretty good. Like brakes.
Yeah, they're really good still.
They're working?
Yeah.
All of them?
No.
You see, the adjuster was just missing completely. And we just went and got a new one.
Spinning? Spinning. Ooh. Oh yeah, way better. Oh yeah, it's good.
Man, these guys are working hard. Keep up the good work, guys.
The thing about Blue is it's never actually had working rear brakes. What I find really amazing about this is if you compare this to literally anything in Wisconsin, it wouldn't look like this, nor would it come apart this easy. And so I'm super impressed. Like, yeah, a 1978 in Wisconsin, the frame would be missing. Like, literally gone. Giant holes where it used to be. Wild.
So the first time Roy takes it out, he's gonna go through the windshield.
Yeah. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for like super stopping power.
I was gonna replace these seals in here. The wheel seal. Look at that. It's leaking.
This one looks thicker and this one looks thinner.
They got two of them in stock.
Yeah,
Booyah.
right. You're lying to me. See that right there? That would never happen in Wisconsin. Yeah. That equals that. This looks like that one.
Oh yeah. It's payday. I'm a baller on a budget.
Ta-da! Blah-de-dot-dot.
Broke.
We'll weld it together, ask questions later. Careful, Shawn, it's hot. But see if this is right, or if I did it wrong.
Yeah, that's right. And the spring hooks on are there. This one.
Update. We got the drum on there, and I adjusted it so you can just barely hear it dragging a little bit. Finished getting the other side together. Bleed some brakes. It's gonna work, gosh darn it. Ta-da!
Look at that. Sitting on all six. It's Friday. We need a marker. Blue is all done except for that.
Except for that. But we couldn't do that
Yeah.
because of this.
Rear brakes done. Yeah, here it is. We're gonna go test drive Blue.
Yeah, let's see what
Make
this
sure
thing-
it is really done.
Make sure it stops.
Yeah. If he'll start, the camera's on. We might have to shut the camera off.
Yeah, she's a little shy for starting in camera. Not today!
Oh wow! Brakes are here.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Like that, Blue's got brakes again.
So we...
You go drive it. You tell me.
Alright.
You're the brake expert.
I don't know. Oh yeah. Stops way better.
It stops now. Like the pedal was like 3/4 of the way.
Yeah.
Now it's like full pedal.
Yeah. No, this is so much better.
So much better. It's got the Shawn and Mike show
seal of approval.
Yeah. Seal of approval. This is the last day of the Mike and Shawn show.
Yeah. Rory will be back. It'll be Monday soon.
Monday, yeah. In a couple days. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's been fun.
Adios.
Later.
Anyway, here's Mike.
Dude, this rag. Wish you guys could smell it. It smells like patchouli.
Oh man.
God loves cars.
And hates mechanics. No need to worry about the future. We'll just work on what we can right now. And figure it out when we get there.
Like your style.